I'm Bob Laurent, CEO and President of Environmental Tectonics Corporation, otherwise known as ETC. ETC is an engineered solutions company that designs, manufactures, and installs aeromedical equipment around the world. We also manufacture and sell EO and steam sterilizers to the medical device manufacturing market and environmental equipment for the automotive and HVAC industries. ETC designs and manufactures equipment for the aeromedical market. What does that mean? The aeromedical market, the products that we produce emulate the physical stresses that a pilot's going to feel in flight. And that could be fighter pilots, where we're training them to withstand the forces of G to avoid general G loss of consciousness, spatial disorientation, which is the largest killer of pilots and crew, as well as hypoxia training. So they recognize the beginning of hypoxia to avoid that as well. Both civil aviation and military pilots and helicopter pilots are all subject to spatial disorientation, which is the largest killer of pilots that exists. With spatial disorientation, pilots will experience things that are happening in the aircraft that make them see or feel or sense in their vestibular system things that aren't actually happening in the aircraft. And if they're trusting their senses, they're going to crash. As I say, it's the largest killer of pilots and aircrew that exists. Our equipment helps them to train to recognize these things are happening and to trust their aircraft, to trust their controls. ETC's been doing spatial disorientation for quite some time, but we keep pressing the edge in the technology. It's always improving. We've been doing night vision training systems for pilots for many years, both fixed wing and helicopter pilots. We're now introducing that night vision capability into the spatial disorientation trainers so that they can get spatial disorientation at the same time it might be night, and how to deal with that with night vision goggles on. ETC is the dominant provider of aeromedical equipment in the world. This was recognized by the Aerospace Medical Association, which awarded us a few years ago with the first time they ever gave an award for an independent company's contributions to the field of aerospace medicine. I'd like to thank the Lower Bucks County Chamber of Commerce for partnering with us over the years. 70% to 80% of the sales that we do are outside of the United States. They're around the world. So we are running back and forth to the Lower Bucks County fairly frequently to get some kind of a letter or certification on a regular basis, and they've helped us to grow around the world. So I'd like to thank them for that. The partnership we have has helped to drive the innovation, which is what we're being awarded for here, and we appreciate that very much.